Good morning everyone. Welcome to Markets Daily by Bajaj Broking. Let's break down the latest news for today. Firstly, SJVN Green Energy has successfully commissioned the 90 megawatt Omkareshwar floating solar project. This milestone is a significant addition to India's renewable energy portfolio, reflecting the company's commitment to sustainable energy solutions. Secondly, the Reserve Bank of India's decision to maintain the status quo on interest rates is expected to boost demand in the realty sector. This move is likely to enhance housing affordability and drive growth in the real estate market by keeping borrowing costs stable. Thirdly, Nexus REIT is witnessing a major shift as the Blackstone sponsor group plans to sell 21.8% of its total REIT units via block deals. The deal, valued at 4,455 crore rupees, marks a substantial transaction in the Indian real estate investment market. Lastly, FIIs were net sellers in the equities market, offloading shares worth 2,626.73 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers, purchasing shares worth 577.30 crore rupees. Now, turning our focus to the Indian markets, GIFT Nifty suggests a gap-up opening of more than 250 points for the Indian market. Nifty spot post a positive opening is likely to consolidate in the broad range of 23,640 to 24,400. Let's look at the market in the previous session. The bears took control of the market once again as benchmark indices ended on a weak note due to a sharp decline in IT and metal stocks, dampening investor sentiment. By the close, the Sensex had dropped 581.79 points or 0.73% to 78,886.22, while the Nifty fell 180.50 points or 0.74% to 24,117. On August 8th, the Indian equity indices gave back some of its gains from the previous session amidst high volatility. This came as the RBI's policy decision was in line with expectations, keeping key interest rates unchanged, while the Monetary Policy Committee maintained its stance on withdrawing accommodation. On the sectoral front, except pharma, healthcare and media, all other indices ended in red, with metal, realty, oil and gas, information technology down 1 to 2%. Nifty outlook for short term. The index is fluctuating within a broad range with support around 23,965, close to the 50-day moving average, and resistance near 24,400. A decisive breakout in either direction is necessary for a clearer trend. Talking about intraday levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. Nifty's intraday resistance is situated at 24,350, followed by 24,420 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 23,960, followed by 23,800. Bank Nifty's intraday resistance is positioned at 50,600, followed by 50,840, while downside support is found at 49,660, followed by 49,550. Fin Nifty's intraday resistance is positioned at 23,095, followed by 23,350, while downside support is found at 22,500, followed by 22,265. Shifting our focus to the global market landscape, let's explore recent events influencing market dynamics. US benchmark equity indexes closed higher on Thursday after the latest weekly jobless claims data helped ease concerns regarding the health of the economy. The Nasdaq Composite was up by 2.9% to 16,660, while the S&P 500 was up by 2.3% to 5,319.3. The Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 1.8% to 39,446.5. All sectors closed higher, led by technology with 3.3% gain. In economic news, weekly applications for unemployment insurance in the US declined to the lowest level in 4 weeks. The report offers a welcome positive indication of labor market conditions. Let's delve into the developments in the Asian markets. Asian equities were up on Friday after signs of resilience in the labor market lifted US stocks. Equities in Japan, South Korea and Australia climbed alongside Hong Kong share futures. The Nikkei 225 index was up 1.7% to around 35,400, while the broader Topix index rallied 1.6% to 2,500. Elsewhere in Asia, China inflation and producer prices are due, while money supply and new lending data could be released as soon as Friday. Markets are closed in Singapore. Taking a closer look at the derivative data, let's analyze the insights into Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty options for today's trading session. For Nifty, highest put OI is positioned at 24,000 followed by 23,500 level, whereas the highest call OI is positioned at 25,000 followed by 24,500 level. We have seen good call OI addition in strikes about 24,200, indicating a strong resistance at higher levels. Any move about 24,200 can take the index towards 24,500 levels. According to option chain analysis, immediate support would be at 24,000, while resistance would be at 24,300. Nifty put call ratio increased by 0.16 and is now positioned at 1.04. For Bank Nifty, highest put OI concentration stands at 50,000 level, whereas highest call OI concentration is at 52,000 level. Immediate call OI concentration is seen at 50,500. We have seen good put OI addition at 48,500 and 49,000 levels, whereas good call OI addition was seen at 50,500, 51,000 and 51,500 levels. If the index manages to cross 50,500, it can march towards 51,000 levels, whereas if it breaks below 50,000, then it can correct towards 49,500 levels. According to option chain analysis, immediate support is at 50,000 and important resistance is at 50,500. The Bank Nifty put call ratio decreased by 0.01 and is now positioned at 0.86. And that's all for today. To delve deeper into today's market insights and analysis, check out the caption below. See you tomorrow for more updates. Investments in the security markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents before investing.